kami naka-point of order, Mr. Chair. Wala kaming kakampi. Therefore, since wala kayong rules of evidence, the rules of evidence apply. Yes. So, if you ask, research person, but before that, sir, are those legitimate? And how can you say that it is legitimate? Hindi ka ba masasabi ko, sir, is it right? We did not mark exhibits. We did not mark evidence. Yes, sir. But for supplementary, yes, sir. But wala kayong rules of evidence.
Ma'am, dito na kayo.
Wala ba? Therefore, the rules of court apply. Hindi pwedeng i-yield. Hindi pwedeng i-yield. You are not the chair. I'm talking to the chair. You allow me to talk to you. You are not the chair. The rules of court is not i-yield. What pa mo yung
Yes,